Selamlar herkese arkadaşlar. Şöyle bir yayını bir kontrol edeyim hemen. Sesi ve görüntüyü kontrol ediyorum. İknat, teşekkür ederim takip için, hoş geldin. Şu anda bir kamera donuyor galiba. Kamera niye donuyor? Yok, iyi şu anda galiba kameraya. Ayarlardan değiştirebiliyor muyuz? Output değiştiremiyoruz galiba. Donuk muyum şu anda ya? Donuk olmamam lazım. Bir daha bir bakayım. Ona stream'i restart ederiz birazdan. Şu anda iyi gibi geliyor aslında ya görüntü pek donuk gözükmüyor şu anda ama bir refresh diyebilir misin sayfayı? Ben şu anda browser'dan açtım ama gözüküyor, tamamen doğru gözüküyor aslında şeyde. Yani ben en azından herhangi bir donukluk vesaire görmedim şu anda. İgnas ufak bir heyecan yaptırdın ya. Tamam, süper. Çünkü ben de bakıyorum, bende de bir şey gözükmüyor. Sorun gibi vesaire. Peki. Böyle genel bir ses ayarlarına ve görüntü ayarlarına da bakayım. Yine 1080p yayın açamamışız ya. Nedendir bilmiyorum. Streamlabs'e geçtiğinden beri bir türlü kabul etmiyor 1080p yayınımı. Ama 720p'de 60 frame'de de şu anda güzel gibi gözüküyor en azından şu anda. Buradan bir Streamlabs'ın ayarlarına da bakayım biraz. Bazılarını tabi düzeltilmiyor artık. Yayına geçtiğim için. Evet, output'u otomatik olarak 720p'ye çekmiş kendisi. Ya evet, herkes öyle diyor. Özellikle akşamları hani ben 1080p açmak istiyorum. Kaliteli bir şey görsün insanlar istiyorum sonuçta ama ülkemizde de hani 1080p falan bir de akşamları özellikle olmuyor. Çok donuyor yani. Güven, selamlar, hoş geldin. O yüzden seviyorum hani Twitch özellikle partnerlarına sağlıyor. Tüm partnerlara sağlıyor. Affiliate ve normal kullanıcılara bazen sağlıyor, bazen sağlamıyor. Siz izlediğiniz Twitch'in ortamında izlerken 1080p'den 160p'ye kadar ayarlayabiliyorsunuz. Çözünürlüğü ayarlayabiliyorsunuz hangi çözünürlükte izlemek için. Partnerlara kesin garanti veriyor bunu ama biz affiliate olduğumuz için sadece bazen veriyor, bazen vermiyordu bize. Mesela şu anda galiba gördüğüm kadarıyla var. Browser'dan 720p'den 720p'den 160p'ye kadar herhalde şu anda seçebiliyorsunuz. Bakayım tekrar. Evet, 720p'den 160p'ye kadar şu anda çözünürlük seçebiliyorsunuz normalde. 20-30 dakika boyunca izlerse aktif oluyor diye biliyorum. Yok ya, bizde hani ben de direkt yayını açtığım gibi bazen oluyordu mesela. 1080p'den 160p'ye kadar oluyordu. Böyle bir sayıyor, sadece partnerlara garanti veriyor Twitch. Diyor ki ben senin için her yayın açtığımda kesinlikle en büyük çözünürlükten en düşük çözünürlüğe kadar tüm çözünürlükleri sağlayacağım. Ama affiliate ve normal kullanıcılara yapamıyor. Sağlamıyor. Daha doğrusu bunun garantisini vermiyor. Şöyle bir ısıtalım bakalım o zaman bu akşam. Hazır Güven de geldi. Şöyle start diyelim bakalım. Kopyaladım. Şöyle chat'e yazdım arkadaşlar linki. Direkt chat'teki linkten katılabilirsiniz isterseniz. You have one new message. Neymiş abi message? Aa sonra... Ha. Remy artık şey yapıyor burada. Süper. Gördüğüm kadarıyla artık bizi Discord'ta da o şey kanalında otomatik şey yapıyorlar ya. Biraz welcome. İgnat hiç sorun değil. Biz de burada öğrenebiliyoruz bence. Gelmek istersen gelebilirsin yani. Sonuçta şey diye düşünme. Burada pratik yaparak da öğrenebilirsin. Welcome Firas. Akif de gelmiş. Süper. Bir tane daha mesaj geldi. Ne geldi abi? Ha, Güven postlamış bunda. Bu arada. Teşekkürler Güven, sağ ol. O da geldi. Link tabii. Darksley'e şöyle yapıştırdım linki. Gerçi klavyesiz ve mouse'suz zor olacak. Klavyesiz ve mouse'suz. O biraz zormuş gerçekten. Fonksiyonlara daha yeni geçtim. Gördüğüm çoğu şeyi anlayamıyorum hala. Bir iki ayım daha var. Peki, nuts. En azından belki burada izlersin. Bir şeyin olur, aşinalığın olabilir mesela. Ben burada kuralı da bilmiyorum ki ya. Subnet, IP, address, örneğin diyeyim. Subset IP. Ha, gerçi IP diyorsun. Evet ya, network derslerini unuttum ondan. Ha, subnet şu üç kısmı. Burada onu mu soruyor? Burası kapsıyor, tamam. 10.64. Burası kapsamıyor. Burası daha büyük. Bunlardan herhangi biri bir sub şey olunca yok, o da olmaz. Ben bu ikisi arasındaki korelasyonu anlamadım peki. This can be also written as /24. Hiçbir şey anlamadım ya. Daha doğrusu Slash 8 anlamına geliyor. This can be also written slash. Son sayfa adresi 168 4015. Destination IP. Bir dakika ne isteyen de. IP adres klasına bir bakayım. Bu ne ya, bembeyaz sayfa. Siyahlı yok mu ya? Properties. Metal. İyi böyle olduk ya, daha ilk sorudan. Şimdi alalım şunu ya. Biraz çözmüş galiba. Burada öyle gözüküyor en azından. Ya evet, ben bu subnetlerle IP adresler arasındaki korelasyonu tam bulamadım. Neye göre true, neye göre false verdiğini. Yok, fısıldama özelliğini atabilirsin ama. Güven. Chat'e atamıyorsun da fısıldama özelliğini atabilirsin. Biraz da %50'yi de şöyle şu an. Bunların kodlarına bakalım yazar. Şöyle submit'leyelim bakalım. Python'da böyle kullanımlar mı varmış? Erikto, oh my goodness, is raiding with a party of 61. Welcome guys, welcome all. I don't know why this. Oh now it's okay. Thank you for following Catalyster. Yeah, it's Turkish right now, but. Oh, thank you so much, Erikto. Thank you for the raid. Erikto, thanks for following, man. You speak Turkish mainly? No, I can speak. I can speak and I can stream in English as well. Thank you for raiding. Thank you so much. Whoever don't know me, my name is Soner Gönül, and I'm a software developer from Turkey. In my stream, we usually solve CodinGame problems, and we're using some Clash of Codes, so a lot of people can join. I mostly stream for programming to solve this kind of problems, and sometimes I do some chess stream as well. Okay, since we have now 75 people, so we can create a new clash so everyone can join right now, which will be awesome. Oh, okay. Okay, I just let me save followers off. So sorry about that. I didn't know this. Right now I disable it, Erito. Thank you so much. Okay, I just pasted the link in the chat, guys. You can still join. I just pasted the link. Let me repaste. Okay, yeah, that's better. That's great. If you don't know CodinGame, guys, CodinGame, we usually solve. Gupta Samart, thanks for following. Welcome to stream. We usually solve this kind of. Oh, Erikto is joining also as well. That's great. That's great. By the way, Erikto, I really like your YouTube videos. I probably watch all of them. I mean, you're an amazing creator, and you are really good at competitive programming. I learned a lot actually from you, and just want to say thank you so much for creating such great content. I mean, if you don't know, guys, Erikto, please check its Twitch channel. Also check its better YouTube channel as well. He's done such an amazing videos from there. Tempux, thanks for following. Welcome to stream, man. Yep, nice raid today. Erikto, thanks to Erikto. Okay, we have now 7%. But looks like we have a little bit chance against Erikto, since such a competitive person. Link please, sure. I just pasted the link to chat, guys. Dark Leader, I just pasted to chat. Shit, that's a hard one. For me at least. Guys, this concept called in CodinGame is reverse mode. In reverse mode, the system gives you an input and output. That's why you can base it on inputs outputs in this site. You should write a proper code to generate this output from that input. So it should pass all the test cases. Why no one uses Java? Is it bad? No, is it not bad? But for competitive programming, I think Java is little bit old, maybe not preferable against such as Python, Ruby, C++, like Ericto. Ericto, as far as I know, he uses C++ most of the time, if I remember correctly. Okay. Yep, C++ is the fastest running time needed for competitions. Exactly. So what is the correlation between your inputs and outputs? Okay, I just... Leation selamlar, hoş geldin. Peki. It's the longest one. Which T is choosing? Longest one. Or yes, that's the longest one. Which fabulous. Okay, I think I understand right now, but am I able to write it in left 10 minutes? Yeah, let's create a list at least so I can save all the strings. So let's start that word, and I think I need to find the target word in that list. Okay, let me create this one. I should calculate. No. Or maybe I should. Why? First choice is less dots on it. S means S0. And array. Yes, that's, I can take all the first characters in the string So I need to find the target string. Oh, Erito has already solved this. Of course, he's so fast. So what target is? Oh. List. First all that data contains target is settere. Break. So we find the target. Thanks, Erito. Thank you so much for raid as well. Thank you so much. Have a great night. You're always welcome to join my stream if you like. Thank you so much for raid again. Okay guys, let's shout out Erito. I just pasted his Twitch channel, but more importantly his YouTube channel is better. I think he has great videos in there. You might wanna check it out. So I found the target one. So I found the target strings, but what I need to do right now is in so no center is target. Let's console that right line. So what am I gonna write? It's the first one. It's the first character. This one, and I can write this. And that list starts with that character, and it's the longest string. So we can use link in here, I think. List dot select is starts with this character and order by desktop length. Not squash. Desktop length. And take the first one. So you can use it with string concat to concatenate on string as a string, and so this one should be correct in my opinion. But all the characters, which is a is an upper one, char upper, I can use here. Okay, I think this one should work, I think. Let me click play all test cases. Oops, nothing. Why nothing? Use here to upper. Oops. Be best, accepted, be brilliant. Okay, this one's extra spaces I should here. And why best? Or the by descending maybe should use here. Longest stream should came first. Let me cry is one. Nope. Expected. Oh, there is a space after semicolon. Target. Excellent. Expected. Excellent. Oh, I should write it the first one, then the second one. Oh, okay. So my solution doesn't work in here. But every time I iterate, let's remove that one. Stop remove. Which item I will be remove? This one. So I should copy this one and remove it. So, and the next iterations we can have it in our list. Okay, let's try this one. Oops. Accounts contains no elements. I probably couldn't solve this as well, so I just submitted. Okay, let's check Eric's code then. We have still 21 person. So let's check its code. It's with C++ as always. Oh, there are a lot of people clashing right now. Let's wait for them for the next 15 seconds. Yeah, I think it's quite hard. Okay, the clash is complete now. Let's get Eric's code. He uses some vector, I think, in here. String and so every So you couldn't solve this? Oh, okay. Oh, All the raiders that come from Eric's channel is using C++. Okay, let's check Eric's code. What did he do here? It takes every string in here and its length. Also calculate length. How to calculate their length? What is in here? Oh, in is an array. Okay. Oh, in is a vector. Okay. Try every string as the possible as expansion for everything else. Oh, okay. Push back and okay. I didn't get exactly, but I try to understand what he has done here. Okay, that's confused me too much. Okay, let's create a new one, guys. Let's start a private new clash, and I just copy the link and paste it to chat. You can join if you want. Let me invite Güven. I didn't find the first cards but couldn't order them. Vector dynamic array. This was very hard problem. Yeah, I think so. Heavy implementation. Oh. Yeah, I mean, I saw a lot of people using vectors in most competitive programming languages when they use C++. I think it's a quite handy data structure. First time I saw such hard custom CodinGame. Yeah, that's you. Unlucky to you, actually. I have lived part in that discussion. It's very less code left for me to finish. Okay. I just pasted the link to the chat, guys. You can still join if you want. By reverse mode, I mean, I don't know, we usually use reverse mode sometimes. Reverse is much easier. For example, some other modes are there are a lot of explanations to read. It gets bored when you stream. A lot of people don't even want to read all the explanations. So reverse mode is much more preferable for streams, actually. Reverse is cool. Other modes are just do what's written. Okay, we are now 7 people. 7 person. Oops, just clicked wrong thing. Solving this one. Yes. Perfect. Passed all the test cases. Exactly, Rettenberg, exactly. It's quite fun, difficulty easy, test case ideal. Okay, we are now 16 person still on the chat. That's great. I didn't call hello to all of you guys. Opera and Bitport, Katalisar, Degi, Gupta, Hi-Fi, Domentari, Ivan Topkun, Mimi 18, Mr. Demon, Pluto Chess 1, Vote for Nixon, X-Crush, welcome all of you. Can you show your code after the finish, Lettenberg? So people are still clashing here. So much time for the 6%. I think it's quite easy question, but maybe depending on the programming language, it is hard to convert from one to another. Yeah, if you don't have another built-in function, maybe it will be hard for your programming language. Python in one line? Oh, that's great. Okay, of course, line counts does not matter for this kind of clash, and it shouldn't be matter, I think, in the real life, because a lot of people try to write as much as less line from their code, but sometimes this kills readability for a lot of times. I don't know why my code failed. So, okay, let's check good task code. Did you check the? Did you clear the first two characters first? Because it starts with, all the strings starts with 0x. No, Kata, we usually do reverse mode actually. Start index 2. Okay. Oh, okay, start index 2. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, leave it. I think I screwed up third. It's a that lambda expression in C++. Okay, I don't know if it's syntax, so okay. So I'm still 3-person clashing. Okay. Trying to find shorter solution is important in my mind because it makes me think differently. But this, the shorter solution is always not the best solution. I should print the final letter in reverse. Oh, let me look at. Oh, since you are dividing, you. Oh, okay. Since you try to find it hexadecimal notation, yes, you can. You should reverse. You should reverse in that, because since you are always to get a modular with 16. You're right. You're right. Obviously mistakes, yeah. But I think that's okay, since you understand the question and you understand the solution. Do you practice JavaScript? No, I don't know JavaScript, Jimmy. Actually, yeah, I know a little bit JavaScript, but it's not enough for the practicing in here. But you still can. There are a lot of people using JavaScript, as like Akif here. Okay, Shawnes is the last person who's still clashing. Unfair force? No, it's not important to actually. I think we are just having fun and practicing our programming language knowledge. I mean, it's not important to first one. It's not important to be last one. It's not important. I mean, the important thing is here to solving a problem. At least, I mean, if you don't know, if you can solve the problem, you understand how to solve this. Because at least one person usually solve the question completely for a simple clash. And we always, after at the end of class, we always give an explanation from his solution. Why not do CF? What is CF? I don't know what does that mean. Okay, Johannes is still flashing. How do you like my code? Okay, let me check Yuvan's code. I still didn't usually use this notation. I still couldn't use it too much. Oh, using toString X. Yes, that's a better one. That's a better one. Yep, that's nice. Code forces. I mean, I don't know. Code forces have this kind of interactive coding situation? Okay, let me check for it. I have an account on Code Forces. Let me check in English. Even I solved a few problems. Yep, that's me. Where's my submissions? Here. I solved these. How many? No, I know it's not too much, but I solved a few questions. But I think yes, Johannes looks quite, yeah. Do Code Forces have something like this kind of interactive coding site? I think you can only solve for yourself in this Code Forces. Many people think they are smarter when they write complex code or use complex programming language. Yeah, Jimmy. I mean, it's quite important to write a simple, more readable code for a lot of people, for other people as well. I think Code Forces doesn't have such a functionality. I mean, let me check it. Contests, gym. What is gym? I don't know. Top contests. Contest is something different than from CodinGame actually. Problem set, groups, rating, education, API, calendar, help. Oh, we can make custom contest. Okay, in here. So everyone can create a custom contest. I don't know actually how to do that, but I will check it. And the competition through the stream. Okay, I don't know actually how to create a custom contest here. Maybe I don't have a privilege to do that. Go to gym. Sorry, what this website looks like from you. 9. My house. Oh, in here. Training filter from, what is this? I mean, contest type, official contest, training camp contest, official international personal contest, training contest. Maybe we can do another streaming code forces. We can do that, why not? We can see it, we can be familiar with its website usage. Yeah, of course, I mean, maybe another stream we can use these code forces, so why not? Maybe it's for rated people. Oh, okay. Might be, because I don't have any create button in here. You might get a point. Okay, that's great. Let's create a new clash here. So let's create a private clash. Let's create a reverse one. What's going on? My laptop somehow slow. Okay, I just copied the link and paste it to chat, guys. You can join the clash from the chat. What? Do I have a message? Oh, okay. I just pasted the link to the chat, guys. You can still join from the chat. Okay, we are 5 people. Okay, Guan so joined as well. What? Perfect. So I can submit mine. That was quite easy question, I think. So probably everyone can solve this. Gupta, 75%? What did you miss? Can you share your code as well? Easy, test is ideal, subnet. I didn't see it until the end. Last case had a suffix of. Oh yes, yes, you're right. You can check my code as well. I think I don't know. My solution is quite simple. Maybe you can find it so simple as well. I don't know why my camera frozen. Honestly, let me close it first and then recreate it. Interesting. I don't know why that's this kind of frozen, but I hope it's not disturbing too much. Let me get a water, guys. I will be back in a minute. Okay, still a lot of people clashing. Okay, Joan solved this as well. Given solved for a lot of. Okay, you replaced all the test cases. Enes selamlar, hoş geldin. You don't understand my code? Really? It just counts how many V in this string and replace this string all the V's with W. How is that any different than just replacing with W? Because yes, I found the count first, how many V in the string, then create a new string from it, from that count, so I can replace with W. But what if ABCVVV, ABCVVV shouldn't it be? Yes, for Gupta, for this, if that was the test case, I will probably should change my code as well. Maybe I can group it with using some regex or something. Yes, there's no test case in such. For example, if I committed to this kind of question, if my perspective is using that string like you pasted in the chat, I definitely would put a test case. Oh well, people saw Duxley solved it as well. That's great. With JavaScript. Okay, my camera seems okay right now. It doesn't freeze anymore, I think. Evet, Duxley kesinlikle. Yeah, whenever I try to learn regex, I always failed, Duxley. I always failed. I mean, it's just too complicated for me, that's it. A lot of people getting a master of regex, but not me. There are a lot of books and websites that I can learn, I try to learn, but I almost every time I get failed. Okay, Nalev, Letunberg, Akif and Terry Kurt is still clashing. For example, I know this regex pair and regex 101 is a great resource, I think. This is a visual explanation, which is great. You can pass the JavaScript type. And this is still regex101.com. It's quite amazing. There are a lot of patterns in here, etc. Yeah, it depends, Güven, it depends. Alice, welcome. Welcome, Alice. Good to see you. How many times you used Saranga in your 10 experience life? I mean, I don't know, because I don't know them too much to use it actually. Depends on what you do, of course, but regex is everywhere in ETL stuff. Oh. Hello, Dan Greg. Thanks for following. Welcome to stream. By the way, if you don't know, guys, if you don't know Alice, which is aka Ruri in the chat right now, he is the leader on global Clash of Code site. Let me check. It's the first ranked. Okay, why this site doesn't show up? I don't know what's going on. Ah, okay. Let's check the leaderboards and it's Clash of Code site. Yep, Alice is still the first ranked user in Clash of Code, which also joins our stream as a regular. Thanks for the big credit to him. I mean, he's still in the first ranked. I mean, that's unbelievable. Okay, Clash is completed. Java'da verili olduğu gibi senaryoya göre yazmaya çalıştım ama yemedi. Can you check my code? I can understand my fault. Okay, let's check Latinverse code. Can you share your code as well? You can click share my code button. First index, last index. I mean, it's too complicated, Latinberg. I don't know what to do actually. What to trying to do in here. Can you check my code as well? Because I also write in C#. I have no idea why my code isn't working. Okay, let's check Razin's code, which is JavaScript, but Okay, you grouping with 2v always and replace with w. This is not what asking in the question as actually. Oh, more than 2. So yes, you are supposed to do for 1 as well. Alice is right. Problem compiler give you error. Oh, that's something else then. But is this one is a string? Let re is a string? What is the meaning of that? G, I think G points to globally in here. So just V plus instead of. Oh, okay. I think Alice has a point, yeah. Looks like that's the issue in here. I don't know JavaScript too much, but this might be the case. Okay. Lettenberg, I hope you should check my code as well. I mean, I just count V counts in the string that occurs, how many V in there. So I create a new string that created for V character and length of V count in the original string, and I just replace the I found the string with 1W. This passed all the test cases. It was giving me s that replace all is not a function error, I guess. Oh, you understand? Okay, that's great. Okay, let's create a new one now. Start a private slash. Let's create a reverse mode. Just copy here and paste it to chat, guys. You can join if you want. I have one message. What is my message? Oh, okay. This is the Remy. Automatically pasted to CodinGame links that found in the Twitch channels. I know this website JavaScript doesn't have function replace all, so that's why compiler error. Really? Replace all? I mean, there is a page called which language. Where was it? If I can find it, it's on fuck question, fuck page maybe. Let me try to find it. This one. Oh, this one, yes. For JavaScript, it uses Node 12.13.0 version. If this have replace all methods, then probably you can use on the website as well. No, I don't want to leave it. Okay. We have five person right now. ES6, I don't know actually. There's no explanation for ES. Oh my goodness, Alice, this is your contribution question for tonight. Alice, congratulations, man. I just voted for yesterday. Yes, chessboard. Every square's color actually. Why my camera is sometimes freezing? I don't know. That's weird. Yesterday I also came across this question about chessboard. Oh, okay. Oh, you solved this yesterday. Oh, that's great then. Okay. So A. This is already solved. Yeah, it's probably the most difficult question for you, Alice. For all the streams you H1. Anyone is dark. So, do I create something simpler? Okay, let me try something very weird, but I hope it will work. But probably not work. As Alice created this one. So A plus there 1 minus 0 and 1 is mod 2 is 1 and it's dark. If it's not, then it's light. Okay, let me try this one. I don't know if it works, but this one. Yes, I think it works. Whew, perfect. I can submit it. That's the trick, of course. I assume CG did some sort of rotation of the clash puzzles to prevent people seeing the same one again too soon, but I guess completely random. Yeah, I sometimes see the same question, but it's so rare. Okay, let me check Alice out. Oh, that's great. That's great. I saw the same way with Alice. That's great. Oh, I just feel lucky. Okay, Dax didn't know if I can get back and give us the flashing. It was quite okay. Since this is an Alice question, It is fun, it's perfectly difficult, and all test cases ideal. And feedback, let me give feedback. That's one of the best question I have ever seen on CodinGame. Okay, let me submit it. Thank you, Alice. Thank you so much. Link, yes. Let me paste. Where's the link? Oh, I found this and I just pasted it. Enes yapıştırdım chat'e abi. Oradan gelebilirsin. You have in one message. This might be annoying. Remy is always testing our links. Okay, Gwen solved it as well. You had a message in world, really? What message? I don't know. I can't see any message, but I know there's a notification in here. There was a notification in here, but I didn't see any message. Weird. Yeah, maybe it might be a long time ago. Yes, Alice. The logic doesn't apply to private clash way. I just solved this question yesterday. Oh, okay, maybe. Maybe since you can solve this, but since you are joining from my private clash, I didn't solve it before, and that's why maybe it shows for me, so you can also solve this as well. Yeah, exactly. Tekrar selamlar, hoş geldin. You could certainly rotate the public clashes. Yeah, might be. Enes, satranç tahtası üzerindeki verilen inputta verilen karelerin hangi renk olduğunu soruyor sana. Hoca üniversitenin ilk senesinde programlama dersinde bize C öğretecekmiş. Ya moralim bozuk. Niye moralim bozuk olsun ki? C gayet güzel bir dil yani. Moralim bozuk olmasın yani. Programlama benim bakış açımdan programlama öğrenebilmek için en güzel programlama dillerinden biri de C yani. Moralini bozma bence. Gayet mutlu olman lazım yani C öğrenebileceğin için. Yani bütün yapıları çok güzel öğrenebilirsin C'de yani. Ama ben ne güzel CodinGame'le uygulama geliştirip GitHub süslemeye başlayacaktım. C'de öğrenebilirsin yani sonuçta. C ile daha derinlemesine öğrenebilirsin bence hem de. Yani mesela atıyorum CodinGame'de hazır bir metot vardır ama bu C'de yoktur. Ama sen o hazır metodu nasıl uygulayabileceğini öğrenirsin mesela C'de. Bu daha önemli bir şeydir senin için. Önemli bir bakış açısıdır bence. Alice, by the way, today Thibaut replied to me as an email, and he said they are in some developments for streamers, and they said after the check their contributions and links that they count in their bots. I am the #1 streamer who solved questions, also creates private clash links. So they sent me some information if they ask me to if I want to be if I want to stream in their fall challenge in between 12 and 23 October. So I said yes, that will be great. They put another maybe tab in their homepage for only for streamers. He said they're in under development right now. And yeah, I never joined actually this fall challenge before in CodinGame. Do you ever joined one of them? How is the concept? Can you a little bit tell us? Since I probably stream every day for 12 and 23 October. They do them pretty rarely, and I missed the most recent one. Okay, so what is the concept actually? They do in their page. Okay, let me, for example, I just fall challenge 2020. Okay, this one I registered as well, but I don't know. I mean, its concept is too hard. I mean, it says there's a bot programming, but I never have such an experience in that. I mean, I don't even know how the coding will be do in that challenge, which is 11 days. It's quite long actually. It's just a bigger version of the bot programming puzzles. Oh, okay. So it will be good before 12 October. I should do some bot programming puzzles, practice at least, because I never solved the bot programming puzzles. Where are they exactly? It's complete. Bot programming for this one, right? Build a smart board, fight your components. Yeah, they're kind of weird and the interface is a little unpleasant at first. Okay, let me create this one. Let me join this one at least. Oh, you can still join. Oh, there is an interface in here. So let me join this one. It might be okay. This clash is also complete. Continue. Choose a programming language. The race is about to start. To play, you have to write your own program, but we entered some code for you to begin with. Let's see what is it doing. Okay. Okay. We just clicked everywhere, but this pop-up doesn't go anywhere. Why? Okay. I mean, why this doesn't go any... Oh, okay. It seems this code does not make any pod move and next checkpoint properly. Okay, there's a video kind of stuff here. Got it. It seems that the pod's target is wrong. Your target should be the XY position in the next checkpoint. Can you fix the code? Oh, okay. It's still just taking input and producing output, but your program competes against others. Oh, okay. So there is always a line of code in here, and you create something from zero, or they give you some piece of code and fix it. In this case, it looks like it's time between position next checkpoint. Can you fix the code? Maybe, probably deleting this one. I don't know. Let's play me. I think fix the code. Oh. Oops, it seems that this code does not make sense. The pod moved the next checkpoint properly. Oh, okay, there's some explanations here. Okay. Maybe I should check this later. Okay, never mind. Okay, a lot of people solved this, which is quite nice. Thanks to Alice's question, first of all. It was Alice's contribution. Okay, let's back to home and start private clash. Let's start. Let's copy this one and paste it to chat. You can still join. Evet Letunberk, önümüzdeki ayın bu ayın 12'si ve 23'ü arasında Fall Challenge 2020 etkinliği var. CodinGame'in ücretsiz bir etkinlik. Orada yayın yapmak için bana şey yaptılar. Yayın yapmak ister misin dediler. I'm working on another contribution where you have to parse a short chart to determine a player's field goal percentage, but I am ashamed of my ASCII art basketball card. Oh, okay. Okay, we are now 5 person here. Oops, what is this? Sure, I'll solve this. Less than a minute. What's more than... No, that's not the case.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Savannah.
Fun fact, cul-de-sac is a French for I stopped back. Pentagram tamam, onun bir anlamı yoktur ya. Loop oluşturabiliyor muyuz? Oluşturamıyoruz. Bak previous next diyor buradaki. İlk eleman previous, ikinci eleman next eleman. Yani böyle bir loop oluşturabiliyorsan sen hani next'ten previous'tan next'e gittin, 4'ten 9'a gittin, 9'dan 5'e gittin. Sonra 6'dan 1'e gidebiliyorsun, 1'den de 4'e gidiyor. Burada bir loop oluşmuyor. Ama şurada mesela 4'ten 9'a gittin, 9'dan 1'e gittin ve 1'den 4'e gittiğinde bir loop oluşmuş oluyor. Onu istiyor aslında. Yes. Evet, this was the starting point. So we go to CP1, CP1 to CP4, CP4 to CP9, CP9 to CP5, but this doesn't make any loop. But for this one, CP6 to CP1, CP1 to CP4, CP4 to CP9, CP9 to CP1, and then this created a loop. Okay, let's create it. I probably would do it, but string and string probably wouldn't make it on real time. That's real next. So seeing list, list. Traverse the graph from the starting point and determine if you ever get back to it. If you do, it's a loop. Okay.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only
I didn't get too much actually. So what will be if I create a dictionary and I see in a loop, but how can I check this in a loop? Maybe create a scene list and every next string I should add it. I don't know. I just submitted. Close your eyes and hardcore your way through the process. Okay, let's check Alice's code as well. Yes, 2 times. Maybe get split HAB 100 times. S is hash S, puts that's loop. And you basically brute force it. Oh, okay. Just follow the path 1,000 times. If we still have a valid value, close the loop. Oh. Okay, what is the path here? So, also you are the. Oh, okay. So you are assigning every next ones in the loop. Oh, okay. That's nice actually. That's very nice. Okay, Flash Pentago hala çözüyor galiba. I wish Alice was writing in a more readable language. Okay, let's create a new one. New clash time. Start private clash. Let's create a reverse one. Let's copy the link here and paste it to chat. You can still join the link from the chat. Okay, we have 6 person in this clash. Yeah, for web it's usually using with Rails, right? We told this from previous streams as well. Oops. I almost hate this kind of questions. Reconnecting. I think it's okay now. I think I'm back. Okay, it seems okay so far. Right now, actually. How many times we passed this one with signs with plus 3 plus same as this one. So how many times? I am back right now. The stream is okay, I hope. Okay, right now. One is less equal than size a plus plus. Okay. Of course, Alice already solved this. Okay, this was the bottom part for this to right line is equal to this one's. So 2, 3, 4. What is the always? Two, starting with two. Just smaller than. No, it's not two. It starts with 0. Lines is 2. Lines, and after that lines plus plus. So how to write it? We write 2 lines, 3 lines, and 4 lines. So what did I write in these lines? This is always the middle one, so what's the size here? 3. Not right line. It's string with how many times? Size minus j, I think. Right. Size minus j. Yes, that's right. Plus how many times with star? New string with the star sign. 2 times k plus 1. Is this going to work? Let's test this. Of course it didn't work. Fonts, blah blah blah blah, expected. Blah. On which case? Oh, there is also. Oh, there is a. Wait a second. There is another white space before these lines. No, but why expected says there's a 5 star before there's a another white space? That's weird. I didn't get actually. So for this one, I always write the same. What? I didn't do properly in here. First 1, 2, but after this 4, I still assign in here to all my great outside for loop. Let's try this one. Whew, yes, that's great. That's a hard one. I would always fail this kind of situations, but this one I passed. That was really a hard one, actually. I would always fail this kind of situations, but on difficulty, hard one, this was ideal. Soykan vazgeçmiş galiba. Alice. Yine anlayamayacağım bir kodda yazmış belli ki Alice. Güven %50'de kalmışsın. Güven böyle bile %50'de kalmışsın abi ya. İnanmıyorum. Aman sen. Bir de uğraştın değil mi buna bu kadar ya? Buna uğraştın değil mi bu kadar bir de? Yani bu kodu gören kişi kör olur ya. Bir kere test case'lerinde bir yoktu. Biri neden koydum? Bu bir gereksizmiş yani. Hem de en altta şeyleri çizdirdin mi? En altta var mı zaten? Vallahi uğraştırıcı olmuş yani. Böyle bile %50'sini geçebilmişsin. Bak muhtemelen şeyde hard coded olduğu için falan kabul etmemiştir diye düşünüyorum. Ha, subnet'i farklı inputlar dener diye koydu. Ha, olabilir. Hard kodunda bile %50 geçer. Peki Clash de tamamlanmak üzere. Tabii %25'ine geçmişsin. Süper. Benim bu koduma bakabilirsiniz arkadaşlar burada. Ben şöyle yaptım. Bir tane dedim her bir ağacı içerisindeki yazmak için şu sonlarını mecburen şeyle yazdım. Hardcode yazdım. Her bir ağacı da çizmek için işte ağaçtan birden o size'a küçük eşit olana kadar for loop ile döndüm. Daha sonra da her bir satır sayısını ilk ağaçta 2 tane satır var. İkinci ağaçta 3 tane satır var. Üçüncü haşta 4 tane satır var ya. O yüzden bir tane lines diye bir şey oluşturdum. Değişken oluşturdum burada. Sonra ağacı çizdirdikten sonra onun değerini 1 arttırdım her seferinde. Ağacı da çizdirirken dedim size eksi j'den kadar boşluk koy başına. Ne kadar j burada iterasyon yaptığında. Ve şu yıldızdan da hep 1, 3, 5, 7 tane koyacağı için 2 çarpı j artı 1, yani j eşittir 0 için bir tane koyacak. 1 için 3 tane koyacak. 2 için 5 tane koyacak gibi şeklinde bir şey yaptım. Bir loop içerisinde bir kurallama yapısını koydum mesela. Bir white space'den patladım ya, çözemediğim bir satır. Aynen, biraz zorcu bir soruydu arkadaşlar. Dediğim gibi benim bu koduma bakabilirsiniz. Gayet muhtemelen siz de kendi programlama dilinizde işte CodinGame, JavaScript'te veya Swift'te de buna benzer bir şey yazabilirsiniz. Hani çözüm mantığı olarak. Ben böyle yaptığımda direkt hani bütün test case'leri yaptı. Başarılı geçti bende aslında. Arkadaşlar bu akşamlık bu kadar diyelim o zaman yayın. Çok teşekkür ederim ben herkese geldiğiniz için. Şöyle Twitter ve YouTube adreslerinde Bulut yazdı chatte, isterseniz kanalı da oradan takip edebilirsiniz. Ayrıca kanala destek vermek isterseniz zaten nasıl abone olabileceğinizi biliyorsunuz artık. Geldi. Şöyle ünlem Prime diyelim. Prime ile 8 TL'ye her aylık bir Twitch kanalına abone olabiliyorsunuz ücretsiz olarak. Eğer kanalı desteklemek isterseniz kanala da buradan abone olabilirsiniz diyelim. Şu an arkadaşlar bir 9 Eylül Üniversitesi'nde bir bitirme projesi yapan bir arkadaş var. Türkçe en azından yayın yapıyor. Bir ona rate olalım. Olmadı. Belki yayını seversiniz. For foreign joiners, thanks for all. Alice, thank you so much for joining us tonight. As always, my pleasure. Thank you again. Herkese teşekkürler arkadaşlar bu arada. Şöyle bir Sky Fallen Live diye bir arkadaş bitirme projesi falan yapıyor galiba. Böyle güzel bir şeye benziyor. En azından Türkçe yapıyor. Yayın yapıyor. Bir ona rate olalım bakalım. Herkesten gittiğinizde arkadaşlar sevgilerimizi iletin lütfen. Kendinize iyi bakın. Hoşçakalın.
Ortaya alırız ama bir gün daha beklemek zorunda kalırız.